If you want to connect Discord to Whop, then here's what you're going to do. Connecting Discord allows Whop to automatically manage member access and roles upon purchase. So first, you're going to head over to your Whop home, and then from here, you're just going to head over to the left side panel, and then you're going to click on your profile. Now, once ahead on your profile, you're just going to click on the connected accounts right here again at the left side menu, and then from there, you're going to click on Discord. So you're just going to open a Discord tab, or it will automatically open a Discord tab wherein you will have to log in or sign in with your Discord account. So you're just gonna click on continue to Discord, and then you're just gonna have to make sure that you enter your phone or email and then enter your password. So you're just basically signing in or logging in. You're just gonna have to confirm if you're human to verify, and then after that, once you have signed in, you're just going to click on authorize to give the Whop an access to your account. And that's it. That is how you can connect Whop to Discord. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use the link in the description box. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.